My name is Paulumi, and we are having an amazing guest with us whose name is Mr. Vivek Saraf. आज हम मिस्टर विवेक जी के बारे में थोड़ा जानेंगे, पहचानेंगे उनकी लाइफ, उनका लाइफस्टाइल, उनका चाइल्डहुड. आई स्टार्ट विथ यू. आप बताइए कुछ अपने बारे में हमें.
Yeah, thank you, Polumi ji. So thank you for inviting me on this lovely Sunday morning. So as you can see, even though it's a Sunday, but I'm still working. But thankfully, I have a cup of tea with me to keep me company Sunday.
Tea keeps
So
us all
thank you for
going.
inviting me.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir. With us today on a Sunday, and it's a great opportunity to be with you and have a talk with you over tea. Thank you so much. So, sir, as we know that you have, you have your achievements, you have your goals, you have your ambition. So you have completed your college from Delhi, and then you have done your MBA from IIFT Delhi. Then now you're a part of Chartered Bank, Standard Chartered Bank in Calcutta, where you're having a very nice post over there. So what are your experiences till now?
So I think Polumi ji, ये सब तो ठीक है. मतलब education, etc. So I'm thankful to God, thankful to my parents for a very nice upbringing and for giving me all these opportunities. कि अच्छे colleges में मैं पढ़ पाया and I was able to give my best and doing all the hard work. So that's something which I have got from my parents and I continue doing that. But I think the most important thing in life is to never stop. You know, no amount of achievement is achievement enough. You need to continue, just keep working hard, keep going at it every day. And that's about it. Continuously change, adapt, evolve.
So, sir, just because it's a Sunday and I understand on a Sunday you're working, but let's make this round a little more Bollywood style because we all know that we love Bollywood. So we'll start a concept. We'll start a game here where the name of the game is Zindagi Ek Safar Hai Suhana, and we'll be coming up with different things for you to answer us about life, about childhood, about friendship. So the first one would be छोटी छोटी बातें की है यादें बनी, where you will tell us about your about your childhood memories, like whatever achievements you have achieved. A little if you can share up with us about it. थोड़ा आप हमें बताइए कि छोटी छोटी बातों से कैसे आपकी यादें बनी.
Yeah. So I think my favorite childhood memories are not about achievements. My favorite childhood memories about really small things in life. So I remember that I was very excited playing, and playing all the time is what I wanted to do. So playing with friends, hanging out with friends for 2-3 hours every day in the evening. That is what I distinctly remember, and I still cherish those carefree days spent with friends. Second memories I have is, of since you mentioned today being a Sunday morning, so my favorite Sunday morning memory is just, waking up very late. And as I wake up, I find that other people are already doing something. So my dad is busy doing his accounts. My elder brother is watching TV, and younger brother is playing. So I just royally wake up around 8:30 or 9, and then straight away get on to watching cartoons on TV. So आपको याद होगा उस time not many channels used to be there. We just had DD Metro and all, and 2-3 cartoons आते थे सुबह. We used to really enjoy watching that, and that was followed by Mahabharat and Chandrakanta. So that was like a set Sunday routine. You wake up late and straight away you hit TV. Then your mother hits you. Then you eat something and get ready. And then TV. So
Amazing childhood.
that's my fond childhood memory.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's for our viewers, it's like going back to their own childhood, nostalgia hitting really very much on a Sunday. So thank you so much for sharing that. अभी हम जानेंगे आपके लाइफ अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में. जैसे कि जब हम बहुत खुश होते हैं हम कहते हैं ना आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू दैट. आप हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए कि आपके लाइफ अचीवमेंट्स, व्हाट यू हैव अचीव्ड इन लाइफ, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू थिंक दैट यू हैव एम्ड when you were small, and then after a point of time you could actually achieve it. So let's talk about that, sir.
Mm. So frankly, Poulomi, I don't think I have achieved anything, which is humongous or anything which is earth-shattering. I think I'm just a very, very normal, very, very ordinary person. But to still insist, I think see, when I was young, so I come from a very, very normal family, and my parents, because of different issues in their childhood, they were not able to finish their education, so to speak, completely. So when I was young, very young, my only thing was that, okay, fine, my parents could not study much, but I should study so well that they should be bloody proud of me and the entire world should know. So that used to motivate me to a large extent, and I think I have been topping my school, so all the classes in all through my school and all. Then I was lucky enough to get into a good college in Delhi, and then during my MBA also. And by God's grace, everything's fine. So I think I've been lucky, and God's grace is there, and of course, parents' blessings, and of course now my wife, last 11 years, so to have all her support with me. So I think these are very, very critical factors which keeps me going.
आई एम श्योर सर कि आपने जो अभी कहा हमारे व्यूअर्स इनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा ही रिलेट कर पाएंगे. आई मीन दिस इज वन स्टोरी जो कि इट्स सो इंस्पायरिंग. आई मस्ट से इट्स वेरी इंस्पायरिंग बिकॉज हमने देखा है कि वंस वी एम समथिंग वी हैव सीन आवर पेरेंट्स go through that problem. We hear their stories कि हमारे time में ये होता था. We are giving you this much of education now. They want us to be proud. So I'm very sure our viewers are going to relate to it very much, and they'll be very lucky to hear it that we can also relate to someone so huge at this point of time. So thank you so much for sharing this with us, sir. And now let's talk about जिंदगी जिन्होंने सजाए मेले. जैसे जैसे कि अगर ऐसा कुछ लाइफ में कि ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स कुछ एनीथिंग कैन बी द प्रॉब्लम जो आपने ओवरकम किया है विथ योर कमिंग डेज. जैसे बचपन से अभी तक बड़े होने तक आपने कुछ कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स जो कि आपने खुद से फेस किया, फिर आपने खुद को कहा, एनकरेज किया, नो आई कैन डू दिस एंड आई विल डू दिस. Some problems, some anything like that. Would you like to share with us so that our viewers can know and they can be encouraged ki no, this is the problem and we can pull ourselves up?
Okay, so I'll start again.
Yes.
So, Poulomi, problems I think are very relative. So what can sound like a small problem to me could be a big problem for someone else, could be very small for me.
Of course.
So I'll still share a couple of, I don't think these are problems, but these were very tricky or decision points in my life, turning points in my life where I had to take a very, very critical decision and make it work. So while I was in Delhi, I had enrolled in the Chartered Accountancy course, CA, Chartered Accountancy course. So that time we used to have a foundation, inter, and final. There were 3 stages. So I had written the foundation exam and I stood first in Eastern India and fourth all India. So I had done very well, obviously, and people, my friends or relatives, they were all looking forward for me to uh, take up my CA this thing. But I took a decision that I will not take up CA. I will continue with my MBA degree and try and get an MBA from a good institute. But somewhere at the back of my mind, I always had this thing that yaar maine CA complete nahi kiya, I didn't complete my CA. So thereafter, cut to now 2010. So I got married in 2009, and by the end of 2010, I was blessed with a baby boy. So married now with a kid. I still have this thing at the back of my mind that I need to get one professional financial degree, a degree in finance, hardcore finance. So I spoke to my wife and she encouraged me that you can even do it now. So then I started my international CFA course at a very, I won't say very late stage in my life. I was just 27 years old, but I was well into a full-time job and I was married and I had a kid also. So with that, to take out time for a very, very demanding course, it was a big challenge for me. So I used to come home at like around 9 p.m. at night, freshen up, have dinner and all, speak to family. And around 11 o'clock, I would just go into a different room and start studying. So from 11 to 1, I would typically study for next 2 hours again. And next day morning, of course, I had to, get up early and be back into my office around 9 o'clock in the morning. So it used to be a very, very challenging and a very demanding routine, which continued for around 2.5 years. So I think that was a big challenge which I had taken upon myself. And thanks to family and God, I was able to eventually complete that course and do well in that.
That's that's very encouraging. So it's I must say again that you told me something that many people are still scared to go ahead for, and somewhere the families are not also very supportive. But your story is actually so inspiring, and I'm sure people, our viewers, when they get to hear it, when they get to see it, they'll have the strength in themselves that okay, even we can make our dreams come true, even we can go ahead and talk with the family and take the first step of making ourselves achieve something that we have always been wanting to achieve. This is a great, I must say it's beautiful, sir. It's just beautiful. ओके, तो फैमिली लेके बात हुई, हमारी अचीवमेंट डे के बात हुई, अभी कुछ दोस्तों को लेके बात करते हैं। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ। सो आप मुझे बताइए कि हु आर दोस फ्रेंड्स जो आपके लाइफ में हैं, जिनके साथ आप बड़े हुए, जो हर पल में फैमिली की तरह आपके साथ साथ कदम से कदम मिला के चले और कहा कि ठीक है चल हो जाएगा, कुछ तो हम तुम्हारे साथ है, कर लेंगे। हु आर दोस फ्रेंड्स? सो प्लीज टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट योर फ्रेंड्स।
Hmm. Hmm. So, Palomiji, I think, I have been in different schools, different colleges. So, I don't have a very, very fixed set of friends whom I have carried forward from my childhood. But what I can say is that I still have some friends from childhood. I may not meet them frequently now. शायद साल में एक बार मिलना होता होगा किसी से 2-3 साल में एक बार मिलना होता होगा, बात होता होगा. But whenever we meet, the spark is the same. So there is an instant reconnect and we go back to our childhood days. So that's the kind of connect we have with them. Having said that, I think my best friends in life today would still be my parents. And like you mentioned कि वो friends ऐसे हो तो एक हिम्मत रहता है कि चाहे जो भी problem आए, we can get over it. So I think those best friends in my life today are my parents, and I looked up to them for all the strength, and my wife, and now even my kids. So I'm very fond of telling my elder son, he's around 10 years old now, that you are my best friend and I'm gonna be your best friend. So that's about friendship for me.
That's that's just beautiful. I mean, it's okay to change schools, it's okay to change colleges, it's okay to not have a particular set of friends until and unless you have your friends, your family, your wife, your son, everything together, when you can sit in the same table and have lunch, dinner, everything together like a whole family. It's just very inspiring and very beautiful, sir. It's just very beautiful.
So I just say one more thing. It's not that I don't have friends.
No,
We
no,
do have friends and we hang out. But I'm just saying that something which is still carried forward, and those are, I would say, friends for life. So
that is the
yeah.
family. Of course, of course. It's just beautiful. So your story is absolutely so inspiring and so beautiful. I must say that our viewers are going to learn so much from you. I can't even make say that properly. Anyway, so
I
did you-
did this.
yes. Sorry, sir.
I think you are being very, very generous.
Thank you, sir. This is. I'm just obliged to talk with you over here. I'm feeling very happy to do that. So now that we have
My
talked
pleasure.
now that we have talked about so many things, let's now talk about, what keeps you going. कहते हैं ना, वो सिकंदर तो कहलाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना उसे आता है. So what is that one thing that keeps you going? I mean, you live your present moment so well, you're living your life and you're happy with everything. What is that one thing that keeps you going, जो आपको हमेशा कहता है नहीं मैं कर लूंगा? What is that one thing, sir?
I think there's a saying that change is constant. So, situation around us is continuously changing. So, the ability to stand up to change, to be able to foresee change and adapt yourselves to meet it is what keeps me going. So I think no matter what you may have achieved yesterday, tomorrow is still a fresh day. You have to start again. So in that matter, I would say that life in a way is like cricket. You may have hit century in the previous match and won the match, but every day is still a fresh day and still a fresh game, a fresh match. So you have to take your guard again and start batting all over again from zero. So forget about the past and prepare for a new day, new challenges every day. That is what keeps me going. The unpredictability of life, fresh challenges every day, I think that's the most exciting thing about life.
Okay. It was beautiful to talk with you, sir. आपसे बात करके इतना अच्छा लगा. हमारे viewers को इतना कुछ मतलब सीखने को आया. They are going to learn so much from you with your inspiring story and your beautiful, ambitious, lifestyle, family, friends, everything all together. मतलब हमारा Sunday तो आपने जैसे बना दिया है आज. With chai and everything, it's just beautiful to have you on with us, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time. Even on a Sunday, I'm making you talk with me. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.